This is Katie from A Fork's Tale, and I'm going to share with you how to make this jalapeño chimichurri sauce. In a food processor, add 2 seeded jalapenos, 3 garlic cloves, 3 green onions, 1½ cup of packed fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Pulse until completely smooth. This jalapeño chimichurri sauce is great on meats, vegetables, rice, potatoes, and sweet potatoes.